In a world where money is very important, would you love to discover how normal people like you, students, 9-to-5 workers, graduates, undergraduates, new traders, even a dropout and the rest are making over 573,000 naira monthly trading forex? Take Faith Uzoma for example, a 9-to-5 worker who lives in Anambra State and had little to no knowledge about trading at first. But after she found out the secret that you are about to discover in this video, she went from making 35,000 naira as salary in a 9-to-5 job to over 573,000 naira in her first 30 days of trading forex. And now she's able to take care of herself and pay her daily bills. After 6 months into trading the market, she finally quit her job and she decided to follow her passion and her dream of becoming a fashion designer. From the money she made from trading forex, she decided to buy herself an electric sewing machine, her first ever electric sewing machine, which she has been praying for over 2 years to buy. I was really happy when she told me her story. We also have Uche, a student of Unilag, who like many of us didn't come from a rich home, but he had a strong desire to take care of himself and his mom, and later discovered this same secret strategy and was able to grow his account from 70,000 naira to over 950,000 naira in less than 16 days. 3 months later, he purchased a land in the Ikorodu side of Lagos and started building his dream house on the land. This was made possible with the money he made using this same trading strategy system you are about to discover at the end of this video. That's enough for now, because I know you might be wondering, why am I showing you this? Well, it's not really about them. It is about you. The reason why I'm showing you this is to let you know what is possible once you get your hand on this new trading strategy that I'm about to reveal to you. And in the next few minutes, I am going to show you what most traders don't know. I am going to show you how normal people like students, 9-to-5 workers, graduates, and even dropouts are legally using to make as much as 114,000 naira per week and over 573,000 naira monthly trading forex, using just a new trading strategy secret that is simple and easy to follow. Who am I? And what do I do for a living? And why should you listen to me? In case you don't know me, or this is your first time of seeing my face online, my name is Idoruluwaseyi Paul. I'm a full-time forex trader and cryptocurrency investor. I'm a Nigerian and I'm based in Abuja, which is capital city of Nigeria. Here is how my journey into trading started in the year 2015. And before February 2016, I made my first million online trading forex. Everything was working out fine for me until 27th of July 2016, when something terrible happened to my trade. Thinking that I had the best knowledge of trading, I deposited 2.8 million naira to my trading account and traded a bigger lot size on a particular pair called GBP USD. But in less than 72 hours, something terrible that I can never forget happened, and I mistakenly blew up my account of 2.8 million naira in less than 72 hours. And the bitter part of it was that the money was everything I had then. That day was the worst day of my life because I went back to zero. I lost all I had no money and not even a friend to help me bounce back. It was like the end of the world. I couldn't even afford to pay my house rent. In fact, I was so broke that I drank garri and ate beans for almost 5 months. My condition was really tough that at a point, I thought of committing suicide. I wish no one ever be in that situation. I can never pray for even my enemy to be in that condition because it wasn't a good one at all. All the strategies I tried left me broke and frustrated. I was really looking for a strategy to making millions. All I just wanted was to become a profitable trader and make enough money to pay off my house rent, take care of my daily needs, take care of myself, provide for my family, become financially stable to live my dream life and regain my dignity to become a better man that my parents may be proud of. Instead of giving up, I was rather motivated to succeed. So I started studying all the greatest traders in history. There was a lot of learning and unlearning on the way, and most of what I tried didn't work out well. So I went really deep until I discovered something so powerful that changed my life forever. What I discovered was the secret system that the big banks and top institutional traders were using to make millions in the financial markets. I used what I learned from all the top traders in the world and combined it with what I learned from the big banks to create my own strategy. I then decided to call this strategy SD Mamove strategy. So after creating this strategy and testing it for months, I then begged my parents to lend me some money so I can bounce back. That was how I funded my account with 320,000 naira. I applied the strategy to my trade, and that was how everything changed for me. I was able to grow my account from 320,000 naira to 5.6 million naira in just 4 months. That was the start of a new dawn in my life, and ever since then, I have been able to make over 160 million naira trading Forex. I became financially stable and was able to buy my first set of properties in Abuja in 2019. And in 2020, I bought 52 acres of farmland in my hometown. Between 2018 till date, I have bought and drove 5 cars. I was able to regain my freedom. Traveling around the world was now easy for me. I have full control of my time. I can trade and work online from anywhere around the world with just my smartphone and internet connection. And since then, I have spent over $10,000 attending seminars, both online and offline, just to search for all the trading secrets I can get my hands on. As you can see, it was worth every penny because I have made more than that in the past years. I never believed I could be a landlord until 2019 when I built a rented apartment that generates over 3 million naira yearly for me. And this was built with the money I made using the SB Mamove strategy to trade the market. SB Mamove strategy has changed my life. It has helped me achieve a lot, and it can also help you too. You see, it's really frustrating when you spend a lot of time analyzing the market and end up losing money to the market makers. I have made mistakes in the past, and I don't want both new and old traders to make the same mistake I once made. I don't want you to make the mistake I once made. So I went ahead and created Forex SB Academy. An academy created to educate and help new traders become financially free and be their own boss while trading the financial markets. This academy was founded in November 2016, and by the grace of God, we have been able to train over 4,000 plus traders worldwide. Many of my students who discovered how to use SB Mamove strategy in my academy started making in a month what most people are making in a year. You see, the hard truth about trading is that the only way you can become profitable always is by having a perfect strategy that will tell you exactly when to enter and leave the market. A strategy that will tell you when to buy and when to sell, and also tell you the best time to take your profits in the market. And the sweetest part is that you can make this happen with SB Mamove strategy. Won't you love to get a tested and proven strategy that removes all the hard work and shows you exactly what works? SB Mamove strategy have been proven to work in both Forex markets, cryptocurrency markets, indices markets, and derived synthetic markets. It works for a small trading account of $10 and even for bigger accounts of $100,000. The amount of money you can make with this strategy depends on the amount of money you are using to trade in your account and how long you are willing to hold your trade. There are people like Lucy who use this strategy to make $180 in a day. That's about 99,000 naira. Some people's salary is what she made in just a single day. Also, we have Moses, who works at a local LG electronics store in Enugu. He started his trading account with $200, and in less than 3 days of trading the account with SB Mamove strategy, he turned his $200 to $642. That's a total profit of $442 he made. If you convert that to naira, that's 243,000 naira he made for himself in just 3 days. And the craziest part about this is that he's just 21 years old. I also have a childhood friend of mine, Adeoye Olamide. So in 2020, he decided to pay me visits in Abuja just to come and learn how this strategy works. After he traveled back to Ogun State, he started trading with the strategy and he implemented all I taught him. In his first 2 months, he made over 700,000 naira. He bought his younger brother an iPhone, bought an AC worth 120,000 naira, also bought his mom another phone. And just some months ago, he called me to tell me of his new acquired landed properties. You can make as much as you want using this strategy. It all depends on how long you are willing to hold your trades in the markets. The good thing about SB Mamove strategy is that it's over 95% accurate, and it has been tested and used by over 3,650 traders worldwide. In fact, this strategy works very well that it is responsible for creating over 43 millionaires in Nigeria alone. Won't you love to be one of them? I believe this is the strategy you have been praying for. The reason why SB Mamove strategy works like crazy is that It tells you exactly when to enter and leave the market for profitability. And the part I love most about it is that it is easy to use, that even a dropout, a student, a graduate, or even undergraduate, doctor, full housewife, employees, and normal Nigerian youths who don't know anything about trading can easily use it to make money in the financial market within 1 week. So if you want to be your own boss and become financially free trading Forex, or you are a new trader who wants to start making money in the financial market, or you are a professional trader who is still struggling to stay profitable in the market, then this strategy is for you. Now, let me show you the 4 ways to make this strategy work for you and start making money with it in your first week. Number 1, choose a trusted broker and create your trading accounts. If you don't have a trusted broker, I will give you a list of 14 trusted and regulated brokers in the world and show you how to open an account with them. Number 2, you should decide what market and currency pair you are going to trade. For example, if you want to trade Forex, you might choose pair like GBP USD or USD JPY. If you want to trade cryptocurrency markets, you might choose cryptocurrency pair like BTC USD or BNB USD or Ethereum against USD. If you want to trade derived synthetic markets, you might choose crash and boom pair or volatility pairs like volatility 75 index, volatility 10 index, and the likes. Number 3, after choosing the market that you will love to trade, the next thing you want to do is to watch the SB Mamove videos, which I will provide you. Number 4, then you are to set up the SB Mamove strategy tools on either your MT4 app or your MT5 app on your phone, on your smartphone. And you then follow the rules on how to use the strategy, especially the 2 signal MA rules, which will tell you when to buy and when to sell in the market. Once you follow these signal rules, you can easily go from zero to making over 573,000 naira monthly trading in the financial market. And you only need 3 things to do this. 1 is a smartphone that has an internet connection. 2, your trading account with a capital. And 3, my complete video on how to use the SB Mamove strategy, which I will provide you in this course. The phone you are using to watch this video can be used in trading. If you don't have a trading account, I will show you how to create one. And you don't even need much capital to start trading. You can even start trading with just $10, which is about 5,800 naira. If you have a phone, trading account, and capital, the only thing you need to start making money is the SB Mamove strategy. Once you get your hands on this strategy, you will start getting credit alerts of over 573,000 naira every month from your bank. I want you to imagine yourself making up to 573,000 naira in a few months' time. What difference is it going to make in your life? Just think about it. Or let's say you are making half of that amount every month. That would be about 286,000 naira monthly and over 3.5 million naira per year. Don't you think this money will improve your life? You can use this money to take care of your family, buy your dream car, buy a plot of land to start building your dream house. Or if you wish, you can use this money to start a new business, be your own boss, and become financially free for life. We both know that this money will make a big difference in your life. And that's what I want to help you achieve this year. Just the same way I have helped many of my students. I have also shown you how SB Mamove works. I want you to be able to set it up yourself and start making money. That's why I have created a complete training video on how to use the SB Mamove strategy. This training is what makes it possible for you to implement the strategy and start making up to 573,000 naira even if you don't know anything about trading. The good thing about this training is that you can easily finish this video in a day and start implementing it because there are just 10 videos and each of these videos are not even up to 25 minutes long. In each of these videos, I am going to walk you through the process of how to go from zero to over 573,000 naira monthly or more using this strategy. Once you finish watching this video, you will be able to set up this strategy yourself and start trading any market with the strategy. And you start making money instantly. Before I tell you what you will be investing to get this training, here is a peek of what you will be learning in this training. Video 1. Introduction to SB Mamove strategy. This video will help you understand what SB Mamove is and how it works. Video 2. I am going to show you how to set up the strategy in your accounts. Video 3. You will discover the 3 types of trends to recognize with SB Mamove strategy. Video 4, I will reveal to you the entry rules and the powerful buy and sell signal Hermes. This rule will let you know exactly when to enter the market with this strategy. Video 5 and video 6, I will show you how to use the SB Mamove strategy to identify trends in the market, to know when the market is uptrend, downtrend, or going sideways. Once you finish watching this video 5 and 6, you will be able to predict where the market is going and become 90% sure of what will happen next in the market. Video 7 and 8, I am going to show you how to use two powerful moving averages, which I call the support and resistance moving averages. Those two MAs help you to know the trend of the market and enter your trade after every pullback to make more profits in the market. This particular one works like magic. Video 9, you will discover SB Mamove take profit rule. This is very simple to follow. It helps you to know when to take your profit in the market. It signifies and tell you and signal you when to take profits. All you just need is to wait for the rule to show, then you take your profits. Once you finish video 9, you will know when to take profits and leave the market to make money. Video 10 is the final video. I will show you how to create a risk management strategy that will help you avoid losses in the market. The hard truth about trading is that the market is always ready to move against you. And if you are not prepared to defend yourself, you will end up losing all your profits you have made in the market back to the market. That's why you always need to use risk management strategy, because it is what helps you to avoid losses in the market. I will give you an example. Let's assume that you are trading with $1,000 and the market goes against you. What do you think will happen next? Well, you might end up losing all your $1,000, but if you have a good risk management strategy, you might end up losing just $10 and you will still have about $990 in your trading account to continue trading and start making more money, which you can still use to trade and continue making profits in the market. That's the power of risk management strategy. It is the secret that top traders in the world are using to avoid losing in the market. Would you love to have a good risk management strategy? If your answer is yes, then I will show you how to do it in this video. But that's not all, because once you get this SB Mamove strategy, you will also get access to the following bonuses. Number 1 bonus, I will give you my complete beginner course on Forex trading. If you are a newbie trader, this course is for you, and this course will help you know all about foreign exchange. Also, I will give you access to my complete mastery course on Forex trading. This course will help you to understand how to technically trade the market. This course will take your trading skill to the next level, while the SB Mamove will help you make a lot of money in the market. The beginner to mastery course on Forex trading will teach you the basics of Forex trading and how to make use of 23 powerful tools to analyze the market like a professional trader and know exactly where the market is going, even if you don't know anything about the Forex market. After you finish this beginner and mastery training, you will be able to know more about Forex terminologies, technical analysis, candlestick patterns, indicators, chart patterns, trend lines, channels, Fibonacci, and also I've added one extra strategy, which is the 3 SMA strategy. And also you will learn the power of trend line, how powerful trend line and channel is. Also channel is very powerful, and you will also learn that in this beginner to mastery course. A student of mine, Mr. Orimolade, took this beginner to mastery course and was able to make $58, which is 33,500 naira in less than 24 hours. Also, Mr. Deji, I know, he took this beginner to mastery course and was able to make 1.4 million naira in a week. Many people are getting good results with this beginner to mastery course because this course alone can help you make up to 200k monthly trading Forex, and it's being valued at 161,000 naira. But you know what? I will give you access to this course for free only when you get this SB Mamove strategy today. Bonus 2, you will get a copy of my brand new book that reveals 7 dangerous mistakes new traders make when trading in the market. Number 5 of this book must be avoided at all costs. This book is valued at 16,500. But you know what? I will give you this book for free if only you take action today. Bonus 3, you will get my complete training on psychology of trading, which is worth 20,000 naira. Bonus 4, you will have free 10-minute call session with me. In this call session, I will answer all your questions and show you what you need to do to be a successful trader. This call session is valued at 50,000 naira. Bonus 5, you will have a lifetime access to my SB Mamove Telegram group. Here you will have access to discuss, learn, and trade with other traders and members of my community in the group. The worth of this is priceless. Before I tell you what you will be investing to get this training, here is a summary of what you will be getting in this course. Number 1, the SB Mamove strategy. This strategy will help you make nothing less than 573,000 naira monthly. It's valued at 150,000 naira. Number 2, you will get access to my complete beginner to mastery course on Forex trading. This course will teach you the basic of Forex trading. It will teach you the advance of Forex trading and how you can use 23 powerful tools that I've added in this course to analyze the market like a professional trader and start making money. This course is valued at 161,000 naira. Number 3, you will get a copy of my brand new book that reveals 7 dangerous mistakes new traders make when trading. This book is being valued at 16,500 naira. Number 4, you will get my complete training on psychology of trading. In this particular one, you will learn how to build confidence in yourself, overcome fear of missing out. You will learn how to kill your greed. After you finish this training, you will be able to think like a successful trader and place winning trades. This training is worth over 20,000 naira. Number 5, you will have a free 10-minute call session with me. In this session, I will answer all your questions and show you exactly what you need to do in order to be successful in trading. This call session is worth 50,000 naira. Number 6, you have a lifetime access to my Forex SB Academy SB Mamove Telegram group. This is priceless. The total value of what you will be learning in this course is worth 447,500 naira. In case you are thinking that 447,500 naira is a big money, let me remind you that most people go to the university and spend up to 2 to 4 million naira on a 5 year course and still end up making just 50 to 100,000 naira monthly as salary. Even if I charge you up to 200k for this strategy, it will still be a fair price because the strategy can help you make more than that in a month, even in a week. But you know what? You won't be paying any way up to that to get this course. The price of SB Mamove strategy is just 50,000 naira. And guess what? If you are trading with a mini lot size, all you just need is one trade with this strategy to get 200 pips. And you will be making nothing less than $200, which is over 114,000 naira when you convert it to naira. And you can make that amount in less than 48 hours of getting this strategy. Most of my students even do times 5 of that amount in a week. There are people like Onilogo who doubled his account in a space of 4 days by just using the first rule of the strategy after watching just the first 4 videos of this strategy. So if you are ready to change your trading story and you are ready to get your hands on this strategy right away, then I have good news for you. For a limited time and limited number of people, I will be giving you a discount if only you take action right away. Which means right now you can get my SB Mamove strategy and other additional bonuses that are worth over 447,000 naira for just 59,998 naira only. That's a crazy offer I just gave you. But you know what? This offer is only open to just 20 people that will take action right away. As soon as we reach the 20 people, the price will go back to 50,000 naira. I know you might be wondering why I want to help the first 20 people. Well, the reason for doing this is very simple. When I first launched SB Mamove strategy some years back, many of my students who got this strategy went ahead to start making over 100,000 naira in less than a week. When other people that are not my students, that are not my member, and don't have access to the strategy started seeing the results that my students are getting, they slide into my DM begging me to help them because of the country economy is very bad. So I started thinking of a way to help an average Nigerian get started, because I and my students alone cannot make all the money in the market. So that's why I decided to give this strategy out to them for just 59,998, because I know it is a fair price. So I will be giving you and 19 other to benefit from this price slash. Let me remind you that once you get your hand on this strategy and you implement everything I will be teaching you in this strategy and trade with even a mini lot size, all you just need is one trade of 200 pips to make $200, which is about 114,600 naira when you convert it to naira. And you can make that amount in less than 48 hours of implementing this strategy in your account. If you can get back times 3 of the amount you paid to get this strategy in less than a week, in a month, you should be making over 573,000 naira. And you can be making this consistently every month. With this kind of results monthly, don't you think this strategy is worth more than the amount I'm charging you? Even if I charge you up to 200,000 naira for this strategy, it will still be worth the price. But right now, you can get it with other bonuses for just 59,998 only. You should know that this strategy won't be at this price forever. This discount will only be open to the first 20 people to take action now. Once you leave this page, the price will go back to 50,000 naira. And I believe you won't want to pay higher on what you can get for just 59,998. If you delay, it simply means you will have to pay more money when next you come back to this page. But why would you even delay on an opportunity like this that can start giving you an extra income as soon as possible? You should know that time waits for no one, and the time we say is money. So if you don't want to miss this opportunity, click below button to get this strategy now. I have already shown you how this strategy is changing the life of so many of my students. It's changing the life of so many people. Also below this video are screenshots of some of my student testimonials. You can spend some time by going through those testimonials and see for yourself how a lot of my students, how a lot of people like you have been benefiting from the great work of this strategy. I would like you to know that you have a 30 days money back guarantee on this strategy, so you have no problem. I always get your back. Let me call to your attention that this same SB Mamove strategy is the same secret that I learned from the big banks and top institutional traders in the world. It has been proven to work for over 3,000 plus of my students. So you can't be the last. It will definitely work for you too. Just make sure you implement all I will be teaching you in all the videos and follow all the rules of the strategy. Remember, what you are about to learn took me over 3 years to figure out, and I spent more than $10,000 to discover what you are about to learn for just 59,998 naira. Why not save yourself the time, the stress, the money, and get started now? If you are truly serious about changing your financial life, click the button below to get this strategy now, and you will never worry about money problem anymore. To pay for this strategy is very easy. Once you click the button below, it will automatically take you to the other page. On the other page, there are so many ways you can use to make payments. You can pay online using your card or using USSD or even bank code. You can even pay offline using bank transfer. Immediately your payments go through, you will be automatically redirected to your course page. On the course page, you will have a lifetime access to watch the strategy videos and other bonuses video that I've added to this course anytime, any day, and at your own convenient time. Remember, this is a one-time offer, and this price of 59,998 naira is only open to the first 20 people that will take action right away. And don't forget, you have a 30 days money back guarantee on this strategy, so you don't have any issue. We got you covered. I will advise you to get this strategy now, because once you leave this page, the price will automatically go back. So take action right away by clicking the button below, and I will see you inside.